What if the person most deserving of this medal never got one? What if the real valedictorians are not the ones standing on this stage, but are quietly seated among you right now? If I could remove this medal from my neck and give it to someone else, I would. I would hand it to my classmate who worked online jobs and part-time shifts between classes. Some with cracked phones, borrowed laptops, selling food, art, anything just to make ends meet. To the ones who caught jeeps at dawn, who walk under the heat or in the rain, who paid their own tuition because no one else could. To those who showed up with tired eyes, but hearts that refused to quit. To the one who studied through tears, who cried in silence, but still made it to class with a smile. They never complained, and they never asked to be seen. But I saw them. Because maybe I earned the highest GPA, but they earned my deepest respect.